Students, this is the sum and congruency of triangles. The sum reads on the sides of AB and AC of a triangle ABC. So I have a triangle ABC, and on the sides AB and AC, equilateral triangles are drawn. So equilateral triangles have all the three sides equal. So I have ABD, all three sides are equal, and each angle is 60. I have triangle ACE, all three sides are equal and each angle is 60. I have to prove that angle CAD is equal to angle BAE. I have to prove these two triangles equal. So let's see how to do it. Now I know that angle CAD is made up of two different angles. You can clearly see these two angles. This is the part 1 and part 2. So it is made up of angle DAB and angle BAC. Now the measure of angle DAB is equal to 60 degrees because it's an angle of an equilateral triangle. And I can assume angle BAC to be x. So I get the measure of angle CAD is equal to 60 plus x. This becomes my statement number 1. Let's come to the other angle, angle BAE. Again, BAE is made up of this angle, which is BAC or x, and it is made up of angle CAE. It's made up of two different angles joining together. So I can write angle BAE is equal to angle CAE plus angle BAC. Now I know that angle CAE is 60 degrees because it's an angle of an equilateral triangle, and this angle I already assumed as x. So the measure of angle CAE is equal to 60 degrees, angle of an equilateral triangle, and therefore angle BAE becomes 60 plus x. So from my statement 1 and 2, I get angle CAD is equal to angle BAE. My first condition is proved. So students, to prove the second condition, which I have to prove that CD is equal to BE, it is better that you extract your two triangles. So CD is a part of a triangle DAC. So I have extracted this triangle and drawn it separately with the congruency mark. I can see the congruency mark. I have exactly replicated the congruency mark. And angle DAC 60 plus x, which I have proved earlier. Now next triangle, where BE is a part of the triangle EAB. So I have extracted and replaced it again. I have redrawn it with the same congruency marks, and angle A is 60 plus x. I have proved it earlier. So my two triangles are triangle CAD and EAB, and now my three conditions are very clear. I have AD is equal to AB because they are sides of an equilateral triangle. The congruency marks will help you to find out ABD is an equilateral triangle. So I have AD equal to AB, sides of equilateral triangle, and similarly I have AC is equal to side AE, that is also the sides of equilateral triangle. AC is equal to AE. You can see AEC is an equilateral triangle, and therefore these two sides become equal. So for both the sides, the reason is sides of equilateral triangle, and therefore these two sides become equal. And the third condition is the angle DAC equal to angle BAE, which I have proved earlier, each 60 plus x. So angle DAC is equal to angle BAE, each 60 plus x, proved earlier. And therefore my two triangles, triangle CAD is congruent to triangle EAB by the test of congruency, SAS test, side angle side angle side test. And because the two triangles are congruent, I get DC is equal to BE, which is CPCTC. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent.